Hello guys, I got so many of you and keep asking me what is the overlay software I am using on my Steam Deck. So today I will share this software with you guys. Actually, I use this overlay on every single Windows handheld I own because it is super easy to set up and use. And also this overlay pops up every single time when I start up a game. The overlay software is called GamePP and it is totally free. Now let's head to the download website on our Steam Deck. I have already put the download link under my video description. From here we can just click free download for PC. It takes about 45 seconds to finish the download. Then we can just click on open file. Then click yes. Select English as the language. Then we can click on next. On this page I will just check all three boxes here. Then just click next, the installation process will start. Once the installation is finished, click next. Then click finish, the software should start up automatically. From the left side menu and click on the hardware. You will get this update notification, but I highly recommend not to update since the new version has some startup issues at this moment. Then from the top menu and select in-game overlay. I usually use the horizontal arrangement, but you can pick your favorite display style from here. I prefer to set the display size to standard. Then I will check the FPS box. For the CPU, I will check the temperature and power waste. For the GPU, I will check the power waste and GPU memory. But this is your call, you can just check any information that you like to show on the overlay from here. Then we can just hit the cross button on the top right corner. The software is not closed actually, and it is still running at the background. You can check it from the left bottom corner of your Windows taskbar. You can see the GamePP icon is here. That means we are good. Now let's just start up a game and test the result. Once we get into the game, we can see the overlay has already shown up on the top screen. Here you go guys, we now have the overlay display on the top middle screen. Every time when you start up a game, the overlay will automatically pop up. So this is how my overlay works. If you think what I just shared with you is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.